Ever dreamt of the most jaw-dropping tech toys lighting up your screen in seconds? Today's gadget lineup just dropped, and it's wild, powerful, and insanely fun. From flying machines to rock-climbing racers, we're unpacking the coolest remote-controlled tech ever made. I'm Miraz, and you're watching Miraz Tech. Subscribe for more amazing tech. Hold tight, because these gadgets redefine what playtime really means. Let's kick things off with the Chevrolet Impala RC, a classic American legend turned into a remote control powerhouse. You might know the Impala as a full-size car with iconic style, but shrink that prestige down to a handheld, remote-controlled version and something magical happens. This little RC ride looks just like the real deal. Smooth lines, bold stance, and enough personality to make you smile every time it accelerates. What makes it so unique is how it fuses nostalgia with instant fun. You're not just steering a toy, you're reconnecting with a design legacy. On smooth pavement or a backyard driveway, this RC Impala feels agile and responsive. You can almost hear the engine roar in your mind. Every twist of the controller becomes an adventure, whether you're teaching a friend how to drift or pulling off tight corner turns near the sofa. Moving on, meet the Gesture RC car, and this one flips the script on how we interact with remote toys. Instead of traditional joysticks, you control this beauty with simple hand motions. Wave to go forward, tilt to turn, and suddenly your gestures become the steering wheel of this responsive little racer. The appeal? It's incredibly intuitive. You don't need instruction manuals or hours to learn controls. Your natural movements do the trick. It feels almost magical at first, like you're commanding a tiny machine with the wave of your hand. Imagine racing this with friends at a park, each of you performing wild gestures as you dodge, weave, and zoom around obstacles. It's interactive play taken to a whole new level. Now let's tackle rough terrain with the Rock Crawler. This isn't just another RC car that spins its wheels on flat ground. This one was designed to conquer obstacles, climb rocks, and hug uneven surfaces like a mountaineer in miniature. The suspension is flexible, the tires grip seriously well, and you can practically hear it say, "Bring on the challenge." This is the gadget for outdoor explorers who want more than straight-line racing. Picture a sunny afternoon in the backyard or a hike by a creek. You set your crawler on a boulder and watch it carefully inch its way up, over, and around every barrier. It's slow, satisfying, and incredibly fun to watch as it nimbly tackles terrain you thought would be impossible for a tiny RC vehicle. Next up, we've got the RC helicopter, and this one brings flight into the mix. Unlike ground vehicles, flying gadgets give you a whole different dimension of play. Lightweight yet sturdy, this helicopter climbs, hovers, and swoops above your head with precise control. If you've ever dreamed of piloting an aircraft, this gives you that feel without getting into real aviation. Use it indoors for careful maneuvers, or take it outside when the wind calms and let it show off its aerial grace. Whether you're tracing loops above a table or staging sky-high races with friends, an RC helicopter adds vertical excitement you just don't get from cars. It's almost like having your own tiny air traffic control right in your yard.
Boom! Here comes the monster truck, the big bruiser of the bunch. These oversized RC trucks are all about rugged power. Massive wheels, beefy suspension, and gutsy acceleration give it authority on virtually any surface. Gravel, grass, sand, this beast doesn't care. It rolls over obstacles with confidence and makes every jump look spectacular. There's something primal about watching a monster truck bounce and crush its way through a makeshift course. If you've got siblings or friends joining in, you can stage mini competitions, highest jump, fastest lap, or even most creative obstacle course. It's untamed fun bottled into an easy-to-control gadget. Now let's take to the skies again with a drone, a gadget that's become essentially synonymous with modern tech fun. This little flyer gives you landscape-wide perspective and smooth motion. Drones are nimble and stable, giving you sweeping footage or tight acrobatic flips with a simple joystick. Whether you're capturing garden scenery or tracking friends running through an open field, this gadget brings an eye-in-the-sky viewpoint that's perfect for video and exploration alike. What's fun about drones is the unpredictability. Smooth breezes, precise landing spots, and even cinematic glides that make every flight feel like a mini movie production. back to the ground with a twist, the RC Car Monster Truck. Think of it like the hybrid between classic RC car speed and monster truck ruggedness. It's fast, it's tough, and it scoffs at rough terrain. This combo vehicle is built for people who want both agility and brute strength. Why choose between speed and rough terrain capability when you can have both? With a capable motor and sturdy frame, it tears through grass, dirt, and obstacles while still handling tight turns with grace. It's one of those gadgets that feels like it can't be stopped no matter what you throw at it. Speed freaks, this one's for you. The high-speed RC car. This is all about acceleration, agility, and pushing the limits. When you press the throttle on this little speed demon, it responds in an instant, dashing forward with a burst of power. There's a thrill that only comes from watching something zip across the pavement faster than you expected. Whether you're racing against friends or timing your own laps in the driveway, this RC car delivers that pure speed rush every gadget enthusiast loves. It's the kind of device that makes you go, "Whoa!" every time you hit that go button.
Now, let's get a bit wild with shark toys, specifically remote control shark toys that swim through water in lifelike fashion. These aren't your typical land-based RC vehicles. They glide through pools, bathtubs, and even lakes with streamlined bodies and motion that mimics real shark swimming patterns. Many of these include LED lighting and fun effects that make them look alive in water. The dual propellers let you steer forward, backward, left, and right with smooth precision, and some models even spray water as they move. They're perfect for water parties, making bath time a playful adventure, or staging epic pool races with family and friends. The waterproof design keeps electronics safe while you enjoy aquatic fun. Next in line, the off-road RC car. As the name suggests, this rugged little machine was made for rough terrain and adventurous driving. Grass, mud, gravel, and steep inclines are no match for its tire grip and shock-absorbing suspension. What makes it fun is how versatile it feels. You can take it to a park, wander through rocky patches, or just see how it handles around your backyard. It's a thrilling experience to navigate tricky terrain, especially when you feel like an explorer navigating unknown territory. The off-road RC car brings out that joy of unpredictable terrain and joyous control. Get ready for flips and tricks with the Roll Stunt Car. This clever little gizmo isn't just about forward motion, it's engineered for showy moves like rolls, flips, and spins. Some stunt cars can even drive on both sides, making them perfect for unpredictable races where obstacles are everywhere. Young kids and adults alike love watching it flip over and keep rolling without missing a beat. You can build stunt ramps, make obstacle courses, and challenge friends to see whose stunt driver skills are best. It turns ordinary play into spectacle fun. Reaching new heights again, here's the RC Airplane, a toy that combines stability and aerial grace. Unlike drones, which hover and flip easily, airplanes glide like the real thing. A bit of runway, some space, and you're airborne. What's magical about RC airplanes is how smoothly they cut through air, like watching a tiny jet soar above. You feel a sense of accomplishment when you manage takeoff and landing with solid precision. It's a blend of calm flight and energetic motion that makes every flight session special. Now, let's pump the adrenaline up one final time with the RC Stunt Car. This powerhouse is built for tricks and thrills, quick spins, sharp turns, and jaw-dropping moves that make you feel like a stunt driver from an action movie. It's designed to respond instantly to quick commands, so whether you're spinning it in circles or racing it along a straight stretch, it feels alive under your fingertips. Challenge yourself to master stunts that make every session feel new and exciting. And last but absolutely not least, the Racing Monster Truck. This is monster truck fun, but with racing flair. It's fast, mobile, and built to tame rough terrain while keeping top speed. Picture rugged tires tearing up grass while this giant in miniature dashes forward like a real racing beast. Whether you're timing races or staging your own truck circuit, this gadget feels commanding and exciting. It's the perfect blend of muscle and speed that RC enthusiasts can't get enough of.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to drop a comment about which gadget you want to see in action next. Smash that like button if you enjoyed the ride, hit subscribe to stay up to date with more amazing tech scoops, and share this video with your friends who love cool gear. Until next time, keep exploring, keep having fun, and as always, stay curious and keep tech in your life.